In this recording, we're going to look at completing the square. You are likely to be asked to complete the square by writing the following expression in the form x plus a squared plus b. So what this means is that you need to write this quadratic expression in that form. There is a reason you do that. It does have its uses, but you're usually just asked to write this expression so it looks like this expression. Okay, how do we do that? So, well, in our bracket that's squared, we would have an x at the front. This is x plus a. So to get the a value, we're going to halve the 8. Half of 8 is 4. I'm just going to explain it with the first one. So if we expanded these brackets, x plus 4 squared actually means x plus 4 multiplied by x plus 4, which gives us x squared plus 4x plus 4x. 4x of 4x is 8x plus 16. So we actually want the x squared and the 8x. We don't want this 16. We've created this 16 and we don't want it. So what we do is we subtract the 16 outside of the bracket. And then of course you've got this minus 3 here. Let me just tidy this up a bit. And then minus 16 take away 3 simplifies to negative 19. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do it with this expression here. So we want to write this in that form. So open bracket, x plus half of 10 is 5 squared. Now what we always do is take away whatever this number, this value is, times by itself, whatever this value is squared. 5 squared is 25, so we're going to take off 25. Then we've got this plus 4, which simplifies to x plus 5 squared, and then negative 25 plus 4 is negative 21. I'm going to do one more with you, and then you can have a go at some yourself. So here, we keep the negative. Half of 6 is 3. What happens if you square negative 3? Because this is a negative 3, not just a 3. Negative 3 times negative 3 is positive 9. So we still have to take off a 9. We always take off the square outside the brackets. Minus 9 plus 5, negative 4. Okay, have a go at these for yourself and then unpause when you are completed. Half of 10 is 5. 5 times 5 is 25. We've created it, needs to take it off. Simplifies to minus 25 plus 3 is negative 22. Half of 2 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. So take off the 1. Got another subtract 1 here. So it simplifies to x plus 1 squared. Take away 2. Half of 6 is 3. Minus 3 squared, positive 9. So we need to take off that 9. Okay, here we've got 1x. Half of 1, 0.5 or a half. So you could have had this as 0.5 or a half. 0.5 times 0.5 is 0.25. I'm going to take off 0.25 and we have a subtract 8 here. So it simplifies to minus 8.25. So if you're aiming for a grade 8 or 9, there is a higher level version of this. So I'd look out for that recording and maybe have a go at those questions.